Okay, hello everyone. I'm Deborah and welcome to Learn to Sew Beginners Crafty and Sewing Corner. So this is, I want to make, I made this is a little coin purse. You can use it as a small cosmetic bag and it has pouches, it has two, but I want to make a wallet to fit into my fanny pack, my crossbody fanny pack. So this is, right now, the width of this is about 4 inches. So I want it a little longer. So I'm going to make it about 7. Then it's going to allow for seam allowances on the side. So it should come out to about 6 inches in width. And so that's what I want to do. Show you. Isn't it cute? And so we're going to get started. I'm just going to show you some of my first steps that I'm going to use to cut out the fabric. I'm going to measure it out. So the fabric, I'm guessing that I'm going to need about 16 inches. So this is the fabric for the outer. And I have this square for some more that I'm going to use for the inside, for the lining. So this is all the fabric I have left from making the coin purse. So I need to turn, you have to turn this to the wrong side. That's facing. And I have it on my cutting board, but I need to get a larger cutting board. So anyway, so here we go. We got the fabric turned wrong side out. And we want to cut off this extra piece here. It's kind of like, because I won't need it right now. Put it with the scrap fabric. Okay, so I need to cut out a 16 by 7 inch. I'm going to measure this, okay, to 16 inches. Finger press these things down here. So, okay, I'm gonna do 16 inches. And the cutting board also has the ruler on it. So I'm using this measuring tape and I'm looking for my marker. Let me get the pencil. I use this for marking the fabric. And you want to mark on the wrong side. So once you, so mark out 16 inches. So it's going to be here. Okay. And also it's 16 by 7. So want to come down to 7 inches. And my fabric is just a little bit short. It's measuring like 6.5. So I'm just gonna use that. So I know that this is 6.5 inches all the way across. And that's fine. So I'm gonna put this measuring tape down. Gonna take my ruler so I can get a straight line. And I'm gonna measure from the top to bottom at that 16 inch in length. And we know the width is 6.5, which is okay. Just have to adjust it as you go. So I'm gonna draw. And you can use, let's make sure it's straight, the lines on the cutting board to make sure you get a straight line down. Okay. Because we want to cut the material. So that's, there we go. And then you just take your shears, your scissors, and you're going to cut on that straight line. And I will be doing the next video on cutting out the lining. So now we have the 16 by 7 inch piece of fabric, and this is the right size together, because this is the inside fabric. Remember, it's gonna be like this. This is the little coin purse or a little small cosmetic bag where you can put your little lipstick in here. You can put a small thing of eyeshadow in here. So you can use it a variety of ways. You use it as your coin purse or your little small makeup bag. Okay, so I'm making this wallet, so I want to make it a little bit, but this is the material that I'm cutting now. And then next, we want to cut out the facing. Now the facing, this is what I have right here. On the facing, use this shiny on one side, and it's the other side is not, because you want to iron on the facing to your fabric. It gives it more texture. It makes it sturdy and feels really nice. So now I need a piece of this. And the facing needs to be, I'm doing 15 by 6. So let's see. What's the length of this piece? This is, let's see, I'm just doing 6.5. Okay, by 6. I need 15 by 6. Okay. So this is right at 15 by 6. That's 6 inches in the height. So you can measure out 15. Okay. So let's see. I'll put this on here. 15. So I need to go over just a little bit more. See, it stops right here because I've been using it. So I need about an inch more. All right, so let's mark this here. Okay. Now let's turn it this way, because I need to cut up some more right here to that 16 inch. And I'm going to take this ruler and make a straight line. Okay. And you want to mark on the wrong side of the material, like the wrong side of the facing. And I'm marking now on the shiny side with a tracing pencil. And you can use the lines on your cutting board to draw a straight line. So right now I have it on the 8. Okay. So you just draw it down. Okay. Okay. So take your scissors. This is the line here. So we got 15 length by 6 in the width. This is for the facing. Okay, I'm gonna cut here. Okay. So we have cut out the facing. Let's even this out by 6. This one is over about 1/4 of an inch too much, so I'm gonna measure this, make sure you get it straight. Okay. Use my marking pencil. Cut off this excess. All right. Scissors. It's a little bit too wide at this end only. Okay. So, and I only need one piece. Let's put this to the side right quick. I only need one piece of fabric for the outside. Remember, for the outer side, the exterior. So, and I folded this fabric in half, so I have enough fabric to make another one if I wanted to. So, let's cut this in half. Carefully cut all the way up. Because I only need one piece of fabric. Okay, so let's put this to the side. Okay. And you have your piece of fabric on the wrong side. This side is down the exterior, the inside. And then what you want to do is take the shiny part and put the interfacing and put on the fabric. Like that. And you have your fabric, and around it you have your interfacing on here. And so next we want to press this down because it gives us its firmness. So stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to press it down, and we will press on the top of the fabric and not on the interfacing. That way it would stick better to the fabric. Okay, stay tuned for next video.